Children ask this question that why should we excel? Why should we perform? So for example, if parents say, better study well, study hard so that your future is great. And in today's world, the children have enough examples where they speak about people like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. And they say all of them dropped out from their college and yet they became billionaires. So why should I perform? What happens when somebody is a performer in education? The best thing that happens is you open the options of many doors in your life. Let's say, for example, Sachin Tendulkar. He didn't study well, he didn't perform well in his academics, and yet he went on to become one of the best known, most respected cricketer ever. And if this is the example which children use against the parents and say, so allow me to play cricket. Poor parents don't know what to say. Here is a suggestion. Everything went right for Sachin Tendulkar. But just supposing, Sachin met with an accident and broke his leg. And if he was not a good performer in his school, what are the other options now he has in his life? That's why Rahul Dravid's parents insisted that Rahul Dravid should excel in studies for him to have the option of devoting himself to cricket. Saying, I understand cricket is a very tough world. I also believe that my child has huge potentials. But something can go wrong. An accident can happen. A blow can be there. Some politics might be there. Some unexpected event might happen. And since a career over there, till the time you reach at the top, depends in the hands of many people. Somebody might pull certain strings which may not be in your favor. While there is one success story like Sachin Tendulkar, there will be 100 more stories about people who had the potential in other aspects of life, but for some reason they could not move ahead with 100% force. So nothing against performing in other aspects of life. But if you can perform in your studies, you always have fallback options, and a smart person always has fallback options. So advantage number one of you performing beautifully well in your academics is you have the luxury of following your passion. And you also very smartly have a fallback